Let's begin this meditation of connecting with your archangels by becoming comfortable in either a seated or lying position. Begin by closing your eyes, allowing your body to relax with each breath that you breathe in and each breath that you breathe out. I want you to set an intention for this meditation. I would like for you to focus on connecting with your archangel. Now don't go into this thinking, I want Michael or Raphael or Gabriel. Allow your higher self and the angels to decide which one you need to work with at this time. So set the intention of connecting with the angel that is for your best and higher good. Taking a deep breath. And allow your body to relax even more. Feeling as if you are almost one with your mat. I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to focus on a place that you consider peaceful and healing. We're going to go there for the next few minutes. So make sure it's somewhere that you can really see, hear, feel, and even taste. Remember, all of your clairs are active right now. But there may be one that may be your gift. So let's begin by walking to your sacred place. And as you walk, I want you to notice everything around you. Colors and trees and animals, buildings, mirrors and books. They're all very important for your messages that you will receive today. Take time to look around and explore. And take time to really get to know the area. Now you notice in front of you that you see a beautiful bright light. You begin to walk towards it, and you notice as it gets closer, it is one of the archangels. As they begin to look towards you, you feel a beautiful amount of peace, a beautiful amount of love. You recognize the archangel, and you smile and welcome them. You'll spend the next few minutes listening to them, learning from them, and receiving information or a gift that you can use during your healing. this is the time to take note of maybe asking what your purpose is. Maybe asking what your gift is, which clear. While you're in this sacred place, you're aware that you can come back here at any time to talk with any of the archangels. So taking just the last few moments to gather any information that you would need, that you would like. Thanking the Archangel for speaking with you today, you begin to walk back to the place where you began, feeling happier and lighter, knowing a little bit more about who you are and your purpose while you are studying Angel Reiki and what it is that you wish to do. As you begin to come back to this world, you begin to wiggle your toes and your feet, your hands and your arms. You begin to awaken, and you have a sense of peace and love. Now take a moment to pick up your journal that's beside of you and write your experiences, knowing that you can come back to your place at any time, knowing that this is safe for you.